Good morning. This is Beverly. My name is Beverly Hagman, and I live in Tishomingo, Oklahoma. And I wanted to give my take. Can't get my eyes straight to look at this. I wanted to give you guys my take on the LadyBoss Labs. Right here, I have Rest, and which helps you sleep. And this has been an amazing product for me. It has got me off of my prescription medication for sleep over the past over 5 years. I suffer from insomnia, fibromyalgia. I've had a lot of trauma done in my life to my body with car wrecks and all that hoo-ha. So this has just been a lifesaver for me. My goal has been to get off some of my medications, and I'm already off of them within 1 week of just taking the Rest. So it's great. It doesn't make you feel groggy in the morning. It makes you feel rested. I'm dreaming more. Also the burn I take 2 during my workout, and it really gives you that extra oomph you need so that when you're working out, you still have energy. You're not trudging through that last 20-30 minutes of your workout. You're not burning. You're not your system, your body is not wearing down. You still have that energy and that oomph to go to finish your workout. The recovery, I take about 3 days a week, or 3 times a day. I take one, I put a scoop in like my big jug of water, and I drink on that during my whole workout. And then I'll take another one around lunch or so, and then before I sleep. It's so easy to mix up. It doesn't clump up. You just pour it. It tastes great, kind of like a Jolly Rancher. It just, or watermelon-y, fruity kind of taste. It's not very, very sweet, so it's not going to overwhelm you if you don't really like a lot of sweet stuff. It's just kind of got a nice soothing taste to it. And a lot of the stuff that I drink, like I would drink some BCAAs and stuff while I was working out before Labs came out. And I couldn't hardly drink it during my workout because it was so sweet it would make me sick to my stomach. This stuff does not make me sick to my stomach. So I drink this I did do about 3 scoops 3 times a day. The lean, it tastes like vanilla cake is what it says it tastes like. I know you get a lot of products and it's like, oh, it tastes like this. And then you're like, ugh. And then it clumps up, so this stuff does not clump up. My other shake that I like is Quest, but instead of finishing up my Quest, I have been drinking this stuff a lot just because it's easier to mix. It doesn't clump up. You can shake it up. You can put it in a blender and mix it with about any fruit, and it tastes great. So I'm really stoked out about getting the Fuel, the pre-workout. I don't have that yet. So this month it'll be like Christmas when I get that. So anyways, thank you, Kaelin, for making such a great product. Thank you, LadyBoss support team, for just focusing on women and helping them with their goals. So anyways, that's my take on LadyBoss Labs, and I'm getting ready to go work out. So you guys have a great day.